I show you how to make door. Start with slip knot and make 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 4 single crochet. One chain and single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make 3 single crochet in piece. 1, 2, 3 in the same stitch. Next, make 4 single crochet. 2, 3, and 4. I finished the first row. Start the second row. 1 chain, turn work, and make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make single crochet increase 3 times. 1, 2, 1 increase, and second increase, 1, 2, and the third increase. Now 3, already 3 single crochet increase, and after make single crochet 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Turn work, 1 chain and turn work. Make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make single crochet and single crochet increase. Single crochet, single crochet increase. Single crochet, single crochet increase. Single crochet, single crochet increase. And next make 4 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, and mix the lip stick around.